If we want to integrate 3x minus 2 all squared, the thing that we want to integrate is not yet in the correct form. We need to expand the brackets. I'm going to do this using a grid. 3x and minus 2, 3x and minus 2. So we have 9x squared. 3x times minus 2 is minus 6x. The same here. And minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. So we have the integral of 9x squared, take away 12x, plus 4 dx. Write down the 9, increase the power by 1, and divide by the new power. Once again, increase the power by 1, and divide by the new power. And the 4 will just go to 4x, plus a constant. The first two terms both tidy. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 12 divided by 2 is 6.